In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Jira so you can track your projects more effectively and make better decisions using real data. Reports are essential because they help you visualize progress, spot bottlenecks, and keep everything on track. To get started, log into your Jira account and head over to your dashboard. This is your main workspace where you'll see assigned tasks, recent activity, and projects you're involved in. From here, the next step is to select the project you want to create a report for. Click on the project and it will open up a dedicated view where you can manage everything related to it, including boards, backlogs, and sprints. Now, look to the left-hand side and click on Project Settings. This section is like the control center for your project, where you can manage features and customize how things work. Inside Project Settings, find and click on Features. Here you'll see different tools that can be enabled or disabled for your project. Look for the Reports option and make sure it is turned on. If it's not enabled, simply toggle it on. This step is important because without enabling reports, you won't be able to access them. Once that's done, go back to your main project page. On the left-hand menu, you'll now see a Reports section. Click on it to open the reporting dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of report types, each designed to give you different insights. For example, you might see sprint reports, velocity charts, or backlog reports. These help you understand different aspects of your project's performance. One of the most useful reports you can try is the cumulative flow diagram. Go ahead and select it. This report shows how tasks move through different stages over time. It's especially helpful in identifying bottlenecks and understanding how work is progressing across your team. As you explore these reports, you'll start to see patterns, where tasks slow down, how quickly work is completed, and where improvements can be made. This allows you to make smarter, data-driven decisions. So overall, creating reports in Jira is all about selecting your project, enabling the Reports feature, and choosing the right report to analyze your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.